The world of drones is constantly shifting, but every so often a moment comes along that feels like a true turning point. Right now, that moment belongs to the DJI Mini 5 Pro. For years, DJI has built its reputation on engineering marvels that fit inside the palm of your hand while delivering professional-grade performance. From the very first Phantom drones to the highly portable Mini series, the company has developed an instinct for knowing exactly when to push the boundaries and when to refine existing formulas. With the Mini 5 Pro, that balance has once again been struck, and this time the excitement in the community is palpable. What started as quiet murmurs in obscure forums and blurred leaks from packaging has erupted into a storm of anticipation, fueled by a recently leaked price list that has, for the first time, given us more than just guesses. We now know the likely price range, the set of accessories, and the general shape of DJI's next chapter in ultra-portable aerial technology. The spark that ignited this frenzy came from Jasper Ellens, a name that holds a special weight in drone circles. Known for his uncanny ability to unearth DJI's secrets before they're officially revealed, Ellens has become something of a trusted oracle in the community. When his posts appear online, people pay attention, and this time was no different. His latest drop hinted at multiple DJI products, but hidden among the noise was the one detail that set off fireworks: the Mini 5 Pro's leaked price structure. Retailers, perhaps moving too quickly or accidentally revealing internal listings, had already published product pages. Screenshots spread like wildfire, and suddenly the world was staring at concrete numbers instead of wild guesses. Those numbers revealed not only the drone itself, but also the accessories that would accompany it. A $69 intelligent flight battery, a $99 battery plus promising longer flights, a $49 two-way charging hub, $19 propellers, a $69 quick-release propeller guard, a $55 ND filter set, and coverage plans at $80 for 1 year or $129. In the past, drone enthusiasts were often asked to invest well over $1,000 for even entry-level setups. Now, DJI's pricing structure for the Mini 5 Pro paints a very different picture, one of accessibility, scalability, and inclusivity. By setting prices within reach for hobbyists while still offering serious performance for professionals, DJI is making a statement that this drone isn't just for filmmakers or tech obsessives. It's for everyone who wants to capture the world from above without a steep financial barrier. But of course, price is just one part of the story. The true magic of the Mini 5 Pro lies in its technology and design philosophy. DJI has long mastered the art of blending form and function, and with each generation of the Mini series, it's found ways to erase old limitations while opening new creative possibilities. One of the most remarkable additions this time around is LiDAR-based obstacle detection. In past drones, sensors could struggle with conditions like low light, fog, or featureless surfaces. Imagine flying at dusk over a lake, with the horizon melting into mist. Traditional systems might falter, unable to distinguish depth or distance. The Mini 5 Pro, armed with LiDAR, is able to read its environment with uncanny precision, almost as if it has night vision. Combine this with omnidirectional obstacle sensing and you get one of the safest, most intelligent compact drones ever built. It isn't just reacting, it's anticipating, learning, and adapting. This intelligence translates directly into tracking abilities that feel almost alive. Picture a cyclist speeding through a winding forest trail or a dog running across an open field. The Mini 5 Pro doesn't just follow from a distance. It clings with precision, adjusting its path seamlessly, capturing action without breaking immersion. DJI isn't simply offering a follow mode anymore. It's offering trust. Users can rely on the drone to keep up, no matter the adventure. And while these groundbreaking features grab headlines, DJI has also delivered small but impactful upgrades that show how much attention is paid to user experience. For instance, anyone who used the Mini 4 Pro will remember the one-time propeller screws, a frustrating detail for many. In the new model, those are gone. Instead, DJI has introduced a tap-in twist system for propellers. It's quick, intuitive, and designed to eliminate unnecessary hassle. Another tiny yet significant addition is a new button believed to function as a quick power-on. For creators, these seconds matter. Sometimes the difference between capturing a once-in-a-lifetime shot, like a bird suddenly taking flight, or the perfect golden glow of a sunset, and missing it, entirely comes down to how fast the drone can be airborne. With this feature, spontaneity becomes a built-in advantage. The crown jewel, however, is undoubtedly the camera. DJI has fitted the Mini 5 Pro with a 1-inch sensor, a move that immediately elevates it above many competitors in the compact category. Larger sensors mean more light, more detail, and richer imagery, and this translates to breathtaking footage even under challenging conditions. The promise of 4K 120 frames per second opens doors for cinematic slow motion that transforms ordinary scenes into something extraordinary. Imagine city lights at night sparkling with clarity, golden hour landscapes painted with natural warmth, or dynamic sports shots slowed to highlight every detail of motion. For creators who live on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts, the addition of true vertical shooting makes this drone even more appealing. No more awkward cropping, no compromises, just ready to publish vertical footage captured natively. The gimbal design is equally impressive, with rotation capabilities up to 225 degrees. This expands the creative possibilities, offering angles that were previously unthinkable in a drone of this size. The larger camera housing itself is symbolic, a physical statement that this machine is built for visual excellence. DJI is practically daring its users to take a bad shot, so confident is the company in what this camera can deliver. Battery life is another area where DJI has quietly but effectively raised the bar. The standard battery now delivers around 36 minutes of flight time, already an improvement over the Mini 4 Pro. With the Battery Plus, endurance stretches even further, giving pilots the luxury of fewer interruptions and more time to focus on framing their perfect shot. And yet, despite this extended performance, the Mini 5 Pro retains its signature portability. Folded down, it remains palm-sized, easy to slip into a bag without a second thought. This is where DJI's design philosophy shines brightest. It removes excuses. You don't have to wonder whether it's worth carrying. You just bring it along. Of course, no story about the Mini 5 Pro can be told without acknowledging the competition. The most intriguing rival right now is the anti-gravity A1, developed by Insta360's incubator brand. While DJI has built its empire on perfecting portability and reliability, anti-gravity has chosen to rewrite the rulebook altogether. The A1 introduces the world's first 8K 360-degree drone, capable of recording everything at once. Unlike traditional drones, where the pilot must frame the shot in real time, the A1 captures every angle, allowing creators to decide later in post-production. The possibilities here are almost limitless, zooming into distant details, flipping the horizon for surreal effects, or even making the drone itself vanish using advanced stitching algorithms. It creates an invisible drone effect, immersing viewers as though only the scene exists. Weighing in at just 249 grams, the A1 cleverly sidesteps registration requirements in many regions, making it a direct competitor to the Mini 5 Pro. Its unique control system, which pairs free motion technology with vision goggles and a grip controller, allows pilots to fly in one direction while looking in another. It's less about piloting a device and more about inhabiting an entirely new form of flight. Where DJI refines, anti-gravity disrupts. The A1 represents a bold, almost experimental approach, while the Mini 5 Pro offers trusted reliability and polish. The choice between the two feels like a philosophical one. Do you go with the established legend or take a chance on the radical newcomer? Yet, what makes this rivalry so compelling is not that one approach is superior, but that both are pushing the industry forward in different ways. DJI's consistency provides stability, ensuring creators can depend on their gear in the field. Anti-gravity's boldness challenges expectations, inviting people to rethink what a drone can be. Together, they ensure that the drone market in 2025 is more exciting than it has ever been. Looking at the bigger picture, the Mini 5 Pro is more than just another product launch. It's a statement from DJI that they remain the standard bearers of compact drone technology. With smarter sensors, pro-level imaging, extended flight times, and carefully balanced pricing, they've once again set the bar. For hobbyists, the drone is approachable and easy to learn. For professionals, it's powerful enough to serve as a reliable tool for serious projects. And for travelers or content creators, it's the perfect blend of portability and performance. As September approaches, all eyes are turning toward DJI. Enthusiasts want to see whether the leaks hold true and whether the official launch will unveil even more surprises. But even before its release, the Mini 5 Pro has already carved out a place in drone history. It has shifted conversations, raised expectations, and rekindled excitement in a market that thrives on innovation. In the end, the question isn't whether the Mini 5 Pro will succeed. It's how quickly you will make space for it in your bag. Whether you're capturing quiet landscapes, chasing adrenaline-filled adventures, or telling stories through creative vertical shorts, this drone is shaping up to be the one tool you won't want to leave behind. DJI has once again given the skies back to creators, and the future of aerial storytelling looks brighter, sharper, and more thrilling than ever.